Well, hello everybody, I'm back again, and showed you the one video with this amp here working. If you remember here, don't mind the mess. Yes. I took the board out of the heat sink here. It's sitting here right in front of me. I got it hooked up here, wires into it. It's playing. I found out what's wrong with it. Loose connection. Watch this. Look at that. And the sub's playing there. That's an annoying sign there. See the rails here. This will hold your outputs down. And shit here. It's 3:30 in the morning here. I'm out here playing with this stuff. I got it working. And I'm gonna tell you what was wrong with it. Oh look. Oh, I got it. See lit. Alright. Oh damn. Anyway, you know it's working. Speaker wire here. Looped around, caught all up in this whole thing. So you know I ain't bullshitting you. Follow this wire all the way over to here. It's hooked up. And you just seen the screw was in there bouncing around like a crazy person. So you know the sub's working. Lights on, you know it's getting power. I'm gonna tell you what was wrong with it. You need a voltmeter. And I put it on short. And what I did was I started testing all the outputs around here. Everything was fine, and I came over to this area. And it started short, and just wasn't reading right. Everybody knows these outputs, they read, they float. Usually they're not shorted out, or they're not open. They usually read something. So over here, probably can't see it. I don't want to get too close. I don't want to drop no metal down there. But they weren't making contact. The soldering joint's right down in here. You see, I had to freshen them up a little bit. Right along in here, along these outputs right here. I had to resolder them. I hit a few of them over here too. A few of the outputs over here. And then there was two spots over here that I hit. Just two little areas. But the output, if you're familiar with the output, you know, just the middle prong over here wasn't making contact. So, the only thing I gotta do now is fix this. What the hell's wrong with this thing here? But I figure I'd give a little update on that. Peel that back a little bit. See, all this is loose soldering joints. Right here's proof. You see me wiggle this and it works. See, there ain't nothing wrong with this amp. I was saying that before I even started fooling with it. There ain't nothing wrong with it. but it wasn't working. I tried it out and I couldn't get nothing out of it. Come find out the output's soldering joint was bad. So if you follow the other videos on this, then you seen what I did. I just took the back off. I looked to see if there was any burnt spots. I didn't see none, so I started investigating. And come to find out, that's all it was. So 2 amps so far worked. Look at that. I ain't even touching the thing. It's acting crazy. I don't want to sit here and waste time making a video playing with that. It's lit up. It's lit up. And it's working. It's still playing. I don't like how these RCAs over here are a little loose. See if I can't do something about that. But that's what the problem was, you know, just some loose soldering joints. And I'm gonna test once I get her all back together. I'm gonna test it and see how much power I'm getting out of it. This little Baja, it's rated at 400 watts. I tested it. I got 256 watts out of it at a 4 ohm load, and that was running bridged. Playing this kicker here. It was putting a little hurting on this kicker. I ain't gonna lie about that. Profile's not too bad. Not too good either, but they ain't not too bad. You know, they've been around for a long time. This is 600 mono block. So, like I said, if you followed my videos, you've been seeing what was going on, so I don't need to explain nothing. I just got that light to stay lit. And I ain't even did nothing to it yet, just wiggled it. Yeah, alright, well, till the next video. Got any questions or anything about working on amps and stuff, speakers, let me know.